Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have kitchen appliance for any rice lover, the CUCKOO CR-0675FW 6-cup Micom rice cooker. We found this fantastic product online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the CUCKOO CR-0675FW? This is a versatile rice cooker designed to make your cooking experience as effortless as possible. With the capacity to cook up to 12 cups of rice, 6 cups uncooked, you can prepare large batches for family gatherings or meal prep for the week ahead. Whether you're making fluffy white rice, hearty brown rice, or even oats and baby food, this rice cooker has you covered. Now, let's talk about some of its standout features. One of the most impressive aspects of this rice cooker is its fuzzy logic technology. This means that the cooker can automatically adjust the cooking time and temperature based on the type of rice you're preparing. Say goodbye to burnt rice or undercooked grains. This technology ensures that you get perfectly cooked rice every time, with minimal effort on your part. Another highlight is the variety of cooking options available. With 9 menu settings, you can choose from options tailored for glutinous rice, porridge, quick rice, and more. This versatility makes it a great addition to any kitchen, especially for those who enjoy experimenting with different types of dishes. Ease of use is also a key feature of the CUCKOO rice cooker. It comes with a non-stick inner pot, which means cleanup is a breeze. Plus, the removable lid and self-cleaning function make it even easier to maintain. This is a great feature for busy families or individuals who may not have a lot of time to spend scrubbing pots and pans after a meal. The CUCKOO CR-0675FW is ideal for busy households. With its quick rice mode, you can have your meal ready in no time, making it perfect for those hectic weekdays when you need to whip up something fast. The built-in timer and warming mode ensure that your food stays at the perfect temperature until you're ready to serve it. This is particularly useful for families who have varying schedules but still want to enjoy a home-cooked meal together. So, who can benefit from this rice cooker? If you're someone who loves rice but struggles with cooking it perfectly every time, this cooker is your best friend. Additionally, it's great for parents looking to prepare a variety of meals for their little ones, thanks to the baby food setting. Whether you're an experienced home cook or just starting out, the CUCKOO rice cooker simplifies the process, making it accessible for everyone. Let's not forget practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day at work, and instead of slaving over the stove, you simply set your CUCKOO rice cooker to prepare a delicious batch of rice while you unwind. Or, if you're hosting a family gathering, you can easily cook enough rice to feed a crowd without breaking a sweat. In conclusion, the CUCKOO CR-0675FW 6-cup Micom rice cooker is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, offering versatility, ease of use, and perfectly cooked rice every time. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient rice cooker that can cater to your diverse cooking needs, this might just be the right choice for you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to